Friends, I'm Pranav and I'm just 14 years old, studying class 9, and I have formulated a new law called the Pranav's law of TRIANS. It is by far the easiest method to learn the periodic table. According to this law, there is a set pattern in the periodic table according to which the atomic number of the element is the arithmetic mean. I hope my writing is not too bad. Arithmetic mean of the atomic number of the atoms of the elements on its alternate sides. So what I mean to say that there is a set pattern in the periodic table according to which the atomic number, here if I take this, the atomic number of helium, neon and argon, helium atomic number 2, neon atomic number 10 and argon atomic number 18. If we take the atomic number of helium and argon and find the mean, we get 2 plus 18 whole upon 2, which is 20 upon 2, and we get the atomic number of neon. That is the Pranav's law of TRIANS. And you can see the pattern here formed. The pattern formed, and now as we all know, wait, let me up. As we all know that the periodic table is based on the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table is based on the SPDF system. So according to which we leave a gap between hydrogen and helium, beryllium and boron, magnesium and aluminium. So that is why the patterns are different for the first, second and third group and for the 4 to 18 group. So that's why they are patterns, and now I'm going to explain this law with the help of an example. See, here if we take the example of helium, neon and argon, I've already taken chlorine, bromine and iodine. So now we take chlorine, bromine and iodine. Chlorine atomic number 17, bromine atomic number 80, no, atomic number 35. This iodine atomic number 53. So if we add 17 plus 53 and find their mean, we get 17 plus 53 gives you 60, and 70 upon 2, cut it, we get 35, which is the atomic number of Br. Hence, now another example. And the explanation examples are very important. So now another example we'll take of are RH, IR and MT. RH, IR and MT. 45, 77 and 109. 45, 77 and 109. So if we add 45 plus 109 and divide it by 2, we get 9 154 upon 2. If we divide it further, we get 77, which is the atomic number of IR. Now we'll take the example. Now we'll take the example from the first three groups. Now the example is, we take off lithium, sodium, and potassium. So now lithium atomic number 3, sodium atomic number 11, and potassium atomic number 19. 3 plus 19 whole upon 2 gives you 11. 22 upon 2. If you divide it further, we get 11. Thus, it is the atomic number of sodium. Now we'll take one more example from the first three groups. Now we'll take the example of Sc, Y, and La. Sc, Y, and La. 21, 39, and 57. If we add 21 plus 57 whole upon 2, we get 8. 78 upon 2. If we divide it further, we get 39, which is the atomic number of Y. So hence, this was the TRIANS law, which I had proved with the help of examples and the patterns. This is by far the easiest method to learn the periodic table, and if you remember this law, please forward it, share it, and please subscribe for more such laws. Thank you.